Good afternoon, guys. It is Friday. We have a lot to catch up on, but right now the situation is I'm eating some Popeyes because who doesn't love Popeyes? Preston's eating some Popeyes. Hi.
That's it.
I know you want chocolate, but you gotta eat chicken first. Jameson is right here. He's hanging out. Hi, bud. It is a crazy... Do you guys see my life? Do you see my life? And you ask why we haven't been vlogging. Hi, baby. Eee! Look. Yay! Hi. Yay! These are his favorite right now. Okay, let's get you some, okay, bud? Mommy, mine. What's that?
No.
That's Mama's. Oh, that's for the number 8 gong. Yeah, put it in there. Yeah, number 8 over there. 8, you got it? Yeah, right there. Good job, bud. Mwah. Mwah. What's going on? Alright guys, so I just wanted to update you guys and let you guys know what's been going on with us. So obviously you can see that we have been so busy. Every day I say that because it's true. I am doing a million things at once. I have 2 kids to take care of, plus on top of that, a clean house. Not very clean. Try to cook for the family. And so it does get exhausting because I do have to vlog and then edit my own vlogs on top of that. So I'm just trying to get it together today. Jameson is eating his crackers. Preston is not eating like he usually is. And I'm trying to look for a fork so I can eat my chicken. Look at him, you guys. Hi, little buddy. Yum. Yum. What are you doing, P?
A wheel.
Huh? A wheel? You're silly. Are you looking at your brother? Huh? Are you looking at your brother? What's he doing? Preston, what are you doing? What are you eating? Oh, nhấm. Cho em ăn không? Yeah. Baby can't eat that. Hug em đi con. Hôn em. Hey. Hôn Jameson đi, con thương em không? It's Saturday. Hi. We're having breakfast. We're eating Honey Bunches of Oats. One of my favorite cereal, if not my favorite. Here, bud. Mama? Anyway, so yesterday was not the best of days, guys. It was so hectic. Oh, here's Jameson. Hi, buddy. Hi, baby. Hi. Hi. So anyway, yesterday was not the best of days. It was like so hard. It started out fine, but the kids just got really difficult. More cereal? Here, bud. Good job. Good job. Yeah, so they just got really difficult, and then I couldn't really do much. I was planning on working on a campaign, which is why I have this makeup on right now. Okay. But yeah, I couldn't do anything because they were just so needy, and I was exhausted. The house is a mess. I have dishes from yesterday. Over. Jameson is now 6 months, and he's going on 7 months. More? Okay. And I've been trying to wean him off my boob for the last 3 weeks now, and it's been so difficult. Okay, ow. Here, ăn nè con. And it's been so difficult trying to wean him. He's exclusively breastfed, so he doesn't take a bottle. And so he's not used to the bottle life, and he doesn't like bottles. I've been putting 2 ounces of breast milk with 1 ounce of formula. He literally spit it out in my face. Okay guys, he spit it out in my face. So that didn't go well. Just gave him straight up formula. That didn't work either. And then yesterday, what I ended up doing was spoon fed him formula out of the bottle. So I opened up the bottle and I took the formula and I spoon fed him, and he kind of was hesitant about it, but he took it. And then I showed him the nipple, and I put the nipple on the bottle, and oh yeah, Paw Patrol baby. And then I gave him the bottle, and he actually drank an ounce of breast milk, or he actually drank an ounce of the formula yesterday, but he ended up throwing up. He threw up a lot. So it could be like the Similac that we were using that he doesn't like, because there was another incident that I made him avocado with formula, and he threw up basically all night. So it could be the formula. So we're gonna try maybe Enfamil and see if that works. If not, maybe Earth's Best. I'm not sure. We'll see.
Ew.
What happened?
Ew.
Gross? What?
Shut.
So it's gross?
Shut. Go.
Come here. Ăn nè.
Shut. Go.
No, it's not, silly. Ăn đi.
Yeah.
Okay, mommy ăn hết á.
No.
Okay, vậy con ăn.
Feel. Bah.
Okay.
Tea.
Preston, you're so dramatic. So yeah, that's kind of what's been going on, and I'm just not sure how I'm gonna be able to wean him off my boob. If you guys have experience in this, please help me out, because I don't know what to do. I just made some toast for Preston and I. Yummy? Are you ready to eat? Don't sneeze on mama's food. So we have avocado toast, and then I use the everything bagel topper from Trader Joe's. Here, I'll show you guys. Maria actually told me about this. Thank you, Maria. This is the everything bagel sesame seasoning blend. I just put that on top of the avocado toast, and then I have peanut butter with banana. Preston, eat. Want to eat? Come here con. Kéo ghế lại. Okay, kéo ghế lại. Qua đây nè. Got it? Okay, qua đây ngồi nè. Qua đây ngồi nè. Okay. Okay. Okay, ngồi xuống. Ew, yucky, don't do that. Ngồi xuống đi. Ngồi xuống ăn nè. No? Okay. You sure? You want banana?
No.
Okay. No banana?
No.
Sure? Okay, mommy ăn nha.
Mom.
So good. You want that one? Okay. Mmm. Mmm, delicious. God bless you. Cheese?
Whoa.
Tera. Uh-oh. Be careful. He ate a really good amount, you guys. So proud of him. The cleaning never stops, you guys. It never ends. I want to show you something. Look at this. Ah! Hi, Kaylee!
Hi.
Look at this. Look what just came in behind us. It's our mattress.
Yay!
Look how tiny this thing is. This is a queen size mattress.
Look, it's taller than me.
It sure is. Come on, guys, let's open it.
Hurry, push.
Oh. Push it that way, Kaylee. Push it that way. Help press.
Hang on, let's get an opener. Oh my gosh. Oh!
Can I take a video of it?
Hang on. Go, Preston, go. Go, Preston, go, Preston, go.
Pick it. Oh, roll it.
Hey, watch out, Kaylee.
Yeah.
Hey, leave it. Watch out, watch out, watch out.
Kaylee, you're so strong. How are you doing this? You're just 5. How are you moving a mattress? Oh, I'm sorry. You're just 6. How are you doing this?
I don't know.
It's about 7:30 and I just finished cooking dinner. I made salmon tom yum and I also have squid in here. So delicious. It's towards the end of the day. It's been a very long day. It always is a long day with these 2 kids, but they were behaving really well, so I am not that tired. Usually I am just beat by the end of the night, but today they were good. Right now I'm going to take a shower by myself. Wow. Preston is not gonna bother me. Hallelujah. And just enjoy my nice, quiet shower. Guys, it's Sunday and we're spending the day at Target. We have a cart full of stuff we don't need.
Pretty
What's
much.
going on over there?
A lamp. I don't even know how I'm gonna bring this back to Vegas, but
It's $10. Who cares?
terrible.
It's so cute.
Yes.
It looks really cool. For $10. Guys, pajamas, 20% off. Let's go check on our mattress. It's been a full 24 hours since I've expanded it. Hi, Kaylee. Let's show everyone our mattress. Is it comfy?
Yeah.
Should we jump on it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's take off our socks, okay? And we'll jump on it.
Pick up my saki. Saki.
Ready? Go.
Hi.
Hi. Our mattress is totally expanded and it's so comfortable.
Night-night.
Night-night. I am trying to wean Jameson off and it's been so difficult, you guys. It really, really has.
And he been crying. Yesterday when I gave the binky to him, he was doing like he was biting the sides like this.
Yeah, he does not like the binky. If I'm really serious about this weaning thing, I'm gonna have to start pumping because we've got to take baby steps. Once he's used to the bottle, then I can start putting formula in it. But this formula thing is like really not working. I gave him Similac the other day and he threw it up. And today I went out and bought Earth's Best and he only literally had a few sips and he freaking threw up again. He like, it was like projectile vomiting. It wasn't like, you know, spit up because he always spits up. But it was definitely projectile vomiting. It was like, it was like so far that he didn't even get his mouth dirty. That's how far ooh, we better move from him. That's how far the throw up went. So, I really don't know what else to do. I've been reading up a lot on this Present sleeping. And seeing what other moms have done to help with the situation. And they said that a lot of other moms, what they've been doing is giving a bottle the first thing in the morning when they're really, really hungry. And then slowly introducing formula once they get used to the bottle. And I think that's what I'm gonna have to do. But I'm gonna have to talk to his doctor about why he's throwing up with the formula. I'm thinking he might be allergic. I don't know, he has like a dairy sensitivity or something. So maybe we're gonna have to do non-dairy formula. I don't know. We're gonna have to figure this out. But yeah. So Kayla, you wanted to talk to them?
Yep.
Okay.
Do you know something wrong with my teeth on the back?
Where?
I think you know where.
What's wrong with your teeth?
So when I was at the dentist, cavity busters, and they pulled my tooth out. So when they did the surgery, when they were trying to get the cavity out,
they couldn't. So they had to pull your tooth?
When they tried to get it out, my tooth just flied out of my mouth.
It flew out of your mouth?
I know.
That's insane.
And